Hi guys, how you doing today? I hope everything is okay in your world. I know in my world, we're still here in BC, they're recommending the, shelter in place for another 30 days, at least until mid-May. So, we're doing okay. We're pretty used to staying at home, but oh my gosh, I know that a lot of people are really not doing okay, and I just want you to know that my heart and my prayers are with you every single day if you're struggling through this. And on a better note, I'm going back to my black and whites today. I have another 10 by 10 used canvas that I've used. It's not the one I did the other night with the red and black. I still have that. But that's got too much red on it for the contest. So I need one that's more white and less red. So I'm going to do another one of those chain pulls, but I'm going to do just mostly white, and then I think I might just put a little drop of red like in the tip and maybe one place down the chain, and we'll go from there. So my paints are a little thicker than what I use for a Dutch pour. The Dutch pour, as you know, has to be fairly thin, like a 1 or maybe a 1.5 to a 2. These are more like a 3 to 3.5 on a scale of 1 to 5 for thickness. So they're relatively thick, but they hold their shape better that way, and they run together less. So thank you for being here. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And gosh, you guys, I'm just so excited that you're all here on this journey with me, and I thank you every day for your support. Let's pour some paint. Well, it's certainly not my favorite, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's got some neat designs to it, but yeah, it's not my favorite. I still need more practice with this technique, obviously. So guys, I want to thank you for watching and sharing and liking and all that jazz, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care of yourself. Take some time to do something special just for you. Bye now.